Welcome to Pro Wheelhouse, your ultimate destination for the latest in motorcycles and automotive innovation. Today, we are diving into the all-new Honda Magna 2026, a motorcycle that blends style, performance, and comfort into a single thrilling package. From its sleek design to its powerful engine, the 2026 Magna promises an unforgettable ride. Design and styling. The 2026 Honda Magna features a bold and aggressive look that sets it apart from the crowd. Its muscular fuel tank, sculpted side panels, and low-slung chassis give it a commanding presence on the road. The front end is highlighted by an LED headlight that ensures clear visibility while adding a modern touch. Chrome accents across the engine and exhaust system enhance the premium feel. Riders can expect a variety of color options, allowing personalization while maintaining a classic cruiser aesthetic. The ergonomics are designed for long rides with comfort in mind. The wide, cushioned seat and relaxed handlebar positioning ensure that both short city trips and extended highway journeys remain enjoyable. Foot pegs are placed to provide a natural riding posture, reducing fatigue and improving overall control. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the 2026 Honda Magna boasts a refined V4 engine designed to deliver smooth power across all speeds. While exact specifications vary by market, this engine promises robust torque for quick acceleration and confident overtaking. Honda has incorporated advanced fuel injection technology to ensure efficient combustion, reducing emissions while enhancing performance. The Magna's engine is paired with a responsive 6-speed transmission, offering seamless gear shifts for both beginners and experienced riders. Whether cruising through city streets or tackling open highways, the bike's engine provides a balance of power and fuel efficiency that few competitors can match. Chassis, suspension, and handling. The Magna 2026 is built on a strong steel frame that ensures stability and precise handling. Its suspension system combines a telescopic front fork with a twin-shock rear setup, providing excellent shock absorption on uneven roads. This setup guarantees a smooth ride, whether navigating potholes in urban areas or enjoying open road cruising. Braking performance is top-notch with dual-disc brakes on the front and a single disc at the rear. Honda has integrated advanced ABS technology for added safety, allowing confident braking even in wet conditions. The tires offer a perfect blend of grip and durability, ensuring both stability and maneuverability at various speeds. Technology and features. Honda has packed the 2026 Magna with modern features to enhance the riding experience. A full LCD instrument cluster provides essential information at a glance, including speed, fuel level, gear position, and trip data. LED lighting not only improves visibility but also adds a futuristic aesthetic to the bike. Connectivity features, such as smartphone integration and navigation support, are expected in select markets. This allows riders to stay connected while on the move without compromising safety. Additionally, the bike includes keyless ignition and advanced security features, giving owners peace of mind when parking in urban environments. Riding experience. The Honda Magna 2026 is designed for versatility. Its responsive engine, comfortable seating, and advanced suspension make it suitable for both city commuting and long-distance touring. Riders will enjoy smooth acceleration, stable cornering, and a quiet yet powerful exhaust note that enhances the overall riding experience. The combination of style, performance, and comfort ensures that every ride is memorable. Whether you are a cruiser enthusiast or a first-time rider looking for a premium motorcycle, the Magna promises to deliver an engaging and reliable experience. Conclusion. The 2026 Honda Magna is more than just a motorcycle, it's a statement of style, performance, and innovation. With its muscular design, advanced engine, comfortable ergonomics, and cutting-edge technology, it sets a new benchmark in the cruiser segment. Thank you for watching Pro Wheelhouse. Stay tuned for more updates on the latest motorcycles and automotive news. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with all our latest videos. The 2026 Honda Magna is here, and it's ready to redefine your riding experience. Of style, performance, and comfort ensures that every ride is memorable. Whether you are a cruiser enthusiast or a first-time rider looking for a premium motorcycle, the Magna promises to deliver an engaging and reliable experience. Conclusion. The 2026 Honda Magna is more than just a motorcycle, it's a statement of